Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
Uba Lahkmen Rymbui ubalong UMLA jong ka United Democratic Party. Ulakam bakam simladon kanu ka Jingïapher Jingmut Hapoh ka party, hadin bakani ka party kalapha da ka Jingtho sya Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Bandawa, badai ban penhiar Shukino ya James Piki Sangma na ka Shuki Menteri jong ka Sarkar Jilla. Habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor uba Lahkmen uloong bahadu mentahi kinongilam jong ka UDP. Kimpat yo lat ban yetheria tai halor kani ka benta namar bakidang penkre ban let jalap election harilom garo namar ka jingdon jong ka election MDC Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kaban salong haubna yayong menta usnem 8,000 arfuway.
I have already made my statement 1 week back, so my statement stands till it is discussed. We are not divided. We want to see that the power in the state should be stable. That is the only issue which everybody want to see. He is the best person to answer that. Who am I to judge? More than, as I said, I think 10 hours of that 11 days session have been discussed regarding this power crisis in the state. So he has explained everything. So if there is any development after that, then we will see. But for me, whatever he has explained, I see that he have a ground. He has a standpoint. We have to respect the voice of larger consultation. That we should respect. It is not the voice of myself. Whatever I speak for myself. And nobody should speak for me if I'm not part of that. So it is a question of, you see, these things should not have happened. We are not a party which have a high command very far, or high command here in Shillong. So any decision, any discussion which we could take immediately. It is just a phone call away. Not like other one, you have to book flight for anything to take a decision. For us, being a regional party, anything could be solved at the earliest. I don't know. Maybe they could not reach me as they have expressed. That until unless we have discussed, I told you whatever consultation is the best to bring up a solution. So until unless you have a larger consultation, then that is the thing. Because everybody have their own issue. Everybody have their own way of looking at it. But once we have discussed, so the larger issue, we have to respect the decision of the majority.